Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? See, today, in fact, I won't be putting on my video. The reason is I'm doing it from the mobile internet data. My broadband is not working today, so I think there might be voice break, right? So I'll try to keep the video off as far as possible. Yeah. So good morning to all of you. And how is everybody? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nishan, fine. See, can somebody just recap whatever we have done last time, if you can remember, so that I come to know what is you are following. जो जो अपन ने last time किया था कोई बता सकता है? Just a recap, whatever comes to your mind, whatever you remember. Anybody? At least you can start with the name of the subject, and you can start with you can talk about the points we have discussed last time, the questions you have asked, anything which you can recall, so that we can move ahead.
Distribution channel, sir.
Distribution channel. Okay, fine. That was only the thing which we discussed. See, in fact, I have circulated 3 PDF on the WhatsApp group. We've gone through it because those PDF are more than sufficient from your exam point of view or from the knowledge point of view. In fact, knowledge point of view, okay, you can always read more. In fact, the sky is the limit for that. The more you read, the more wisdom you will get. Knowledge as well as finally you'll reach to wisdom. But distribution channel, fine, somebody said it correctly. What else? What is the name of the subject? Let us start with the very basic. What is the name of the subject? What is the name of the subject we are discussing right now, and we started 2 lectures back. So this is the 3rd session in a row. And as I said earlier, I'll be taking 2 of your subject, but I'd like to wind up with the first subject, that is sales and distribution management. See, at least this part you can always give a reply, answer. What is the name of the subject? The name of the subject is sales and distribution management. Now, what this particular subject constitute of? What are the contents? What are the modules? Anybody? You can just read out the syllabus also in short. Module 1, Module 2. In fact, there are 5 modules. All of you must be aware about it. I hope we have already discussed the syllabus part, so we need not be going into detail of it. But can somebody tell me what this sales and distribution management is all about? What does it contain? You can put it in nutshell also. You need not read out the entire syllabus. Just tell me in a nutshell what this subject is. Earlier told you that this subject in itself is having 2 subjects in it. This subject is a combination of 2 subjects. What are those? See, all this thing we have already discussed, right? Anybody? इसका आपको अगर if you are not replying, that means you are not being followed. You are not following me. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ आपके समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसका मतलब. So I think I have to change the strategy then. All of you are present, I hope, because all of you are regular students. Chandrasekhar is there, Kunal is there, Avanti is there, Abhar, Aparna, Akash, Divya, Shraddha, Bhagyashree, Raksha. Anybody? See, it's a very simple question. We have discussed it 2-3 times. What is this subject all about? What does this subject contains? In a nutshell, I don't want you to read out the syllabus because that part we have already done earlier. Reading out the syllabus, we have gone module wise, and as I said, this is what I'm going to cover first, and after that, I'm going to follow the rest of the part. And after that, we're going to start with the new subject, that is that is going to be brand management, integrated marketing communication and brand management. Yes, anybody? If you're following me, my question. Hello, all of you following me? Question. See, this is a very simple question, and you have to be interactive. Otherwise, I cannot do anything. I'm to say, I'll be just then giving you the assignments. That's all. If you are not interactive, and as I said earlier, marketing is all about communication. In fact, our second subject will be integrated marketing communication, and that forms the core, that forms the basic of marketing, integrated marketing communication. As I said, marketing is all about communication. And what is communication? It is interaction, verbal as well as written, then by gesture, by posture, all those things. But first thing that should come is verbal communication. You should be very fluent in that, followed by written. This all will be needed when you do your own business or you do a job in any organization. Even a job like teaching requires you to communicate a lot. Yes, anybody? All of you following me my question? What is my question? Can somebody repeat it for me? Yes. What is my question? All of you following the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Just.
It's about syllabus.
It's about syllabus. Now, what my question is? Are you following my question? What is my question?
What is syllabus?
What is this particular subject, sales and distribution management? What does it contain? I have already told you this particular subject has two subjects inbuilt in it. In fact, it is combination of two subjects. What are those two subjects? It's very common sense. It will not be very smart, very not have expertise in this subject. Sales and distribution management. How can you split the subject into two subjects? Because see, this particular subject contain two subjects which are altogether different. I mean to say, few parts are common, but we have to study it from the point of view of two subjects. What are those two subjects? देखिए सिंपल क्वेश्चन ये आंसर कर पाओगे तो आई डोंट थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न marketing. You have to be very prompt, you have to be very fast, you have to be very dynamic, because
Sales and marketing.
Sales management is one, and distribution management, simple sales and distribution management. So you can break it into sales management, which is altogether a different theory, altogether a different aspect of marketing, and distribution management is again a different aspect of marketing. In fact, sales marketing, the company activity of selling and delivering product to customer. Yes, so this is what I want. And see, don't put it in chat box. As I said earlier, वो तो लिख के तो आप ठीक है, that will come next. First thing that is required is your verbal communication. That is, I'm very much concerned about. I'm very much focused about. Yogeshwar?
Distribution management, my work is the company. मतलब सर जो अभी Amazon का ले सकते हैं सर हम एग्जांपल, वो एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट हो सकता है सर. मतलब वो
ठीक है ना, I'm getting you what I'm saying. Yes.
करने के लिए.
Yes. See, my question was this. Yes.
कस्टमर को हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए. Go ahead.
कस्टमर को एक सर्विस करने को देती है सर. फिर वो सर्विस सिलेक्ट करने के बाद वो कस्टमर को कैसे पहुंचानी है, वो एक मैनेजमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एक मैनेजमेंट करता है सर. मतलब जब वो पहले हैंडओवर होगा सर एयर कुरियर के पास सर, जो एयर मतलब वो अगर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वाले को देगा सर, वो ट्रांसपोर्टर वो एक जो लड़का है सर डिलीवरी बॉय, वो कस्टमर को देगा सर. ये मेरे वर्ड में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट होगा.
Yes, see, simple डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट मैंने बोला था, जैसे मैन्युफैक्चरर टू द एंड यूजर. इसमें कुछ इंटरमीडिएटरीज आते हैं, those we call them as middleman also. Intermediaries, those are called as middleman. I'll be sharing you few PDF which I have already shared with you on the WhatsApp. अभी अपन वो दोनों तीनों चीजें डिस्कस कर लेते हैं right now. Okay, is the concept of the subject clear? Because don't get confused. Okay, so I would like to share my screen with you, and just let me know once you see the PDF. Okay. Yes, is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now this is
Yes,
the
sir.
PDF which I have already circulated. And what I want, before we start with any of the lecture, I'll be doing this same thing again and again. I'll be distributing those PDF related to whatever I'm going to talk, so that you come to know what I'm going to talk about, and you can ask few questions in case, because you are supposed to, as an MBA student, as a student of a professional course, you are supposed to go through this material. Even if you do not follow it, it doesn't matter. Whatever you are not going to follow, we are going to discuss in the class, because that is going to save our time, and that is going to make you a self-motivating person who would like to study, right? See, many a time you have to be a self-learner, especially in PG courses. For that matter, take any PG courses. uh, Faculties are always there, the guidance you will always get from them, but unless and until you are a self-motivator, you are not going to learn anything, and you are not going to stand out from others. सभी लोग एग्जाम देने वाले और सभी लोग पास होंगे, आई कैन गारंटी दैट, बट हु इज गोइंग टू सक्सीड? द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. All of you following me what I'm saying? So this
Yes,
is,
sir.
yeah, so this is distribution channels. Let me straight away, instead of just discussing the concept and theories, let me straight away take you to the diagram. Yeah, this is very important diagram, and this will explain you most of the thing. Right? Just a moment, excuse me for. Yes. So what is this diagram all about? Distribution channel used. So what is the function of distribution channel? How the functions flows in a distribution channel? There is a forward flow. We'll be discussing this through the diagrams. Some function like physical, like the good itself, the title of the goods and the promotion, constitutes a forward flow of activity from the company to the consumer, from company to the customer. Okay. Yes. हाँ जी, हाँ बोलो, एक मिनट, हाँ बोलो. Yes, sorry, actually there was a call, urgent call. Fine. Let us go ahead with yeah. So I was discussing about some functions. What does this distribution channel actually do? There are 5 functions which this distribution channel take care of. Physical good itself, the title of the good, and promotion, which is a forward flow of activity. We'll be discussing this through the diagram. And there is a backward flow, which is through ordering and payment by the customer. Customer order, that forms the backward flow. Now let us straight away go to the diagram. How does this physical flow goes from? How does this physical flow indicates a forward flow? So you can see in this diagram there is a supplier, right? This is a supplier over here. Okay. So this supplier will send the goods to. So see, this is a general diagram. This may vary depending on the goods and services the manufacturing produces. It goes to the transporter or warehouse, then to the manufacturer. Supplier means supplier of raw material. Here is somebody who is manufacturing the good, then again transport, warehousing, then dealer, then transport. Dealer will again transport to the customer. It depends. Dealer may transfer it to the retailer also, right? Or dealer may directly send it to the customer. Does title flow? Title means the ownership, we can call it. Supplier से manufacturer तक जाता है, manufacturer will send it to dealers and the customer. So these are generalized diagram just to show the flow of the physical goods, flow of the title, and flow of payment. How this payment takes place? The customer pays to bank pays to the dealer, or the customer may directly pay it to the dealer or to the retailer, then retailer to the dealer, dealer to bank. See, everywhere there is a bank, because transaction most of the time is done through bank only, because nowadays GST and all this thing, so everything has to be recorded. Even if you are paying in cash, the retailer will put the money in bank, or they will keep the record of the transaction. Probably they will give you the bill, right? So this step may go away if the customer is paying in cash. But this is the representation of how the payment is taking place, how there is a reverse flow, you can call it, from customers to supplier. How does information flow? Information means feedback जो आपका हो गया, या तो फिर then you have certain review by the customers. So customers will talk to the dealer, dealer will again talk to the customer. So there is two-way communication in terms of information. It is not just a forward flow or the reverse flow. Are you getting me what I am saying up till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this diagram is very excellent, very explanatory, and this covers up what exactly is marketing channel all about, right? And this is what? This is something promotion. In fact, this is a fifth. This PDF or this particular organization has not named it. This is promotion flow. This particular thing is nothing but this particular thing is nothing but promotion flow. Right? So a supplier will promote to advertising agency comes into picture. Manufacturer will talk to the advertising agency regarding the products, and they will promote it to dealers, and dealer in turn will promote it to customer. So there is hardly any reverse flow. In fact, there will be only forward flow in terms of what you call it as promotion. All of you know what is promotion? All of you are aware? What exactly is promotion? Yes, anybody? What does promotion constitute of? कोई बता सकता है?
Better position.
Pardon me? Hello? Yes?
Better position.
Promotion. See, promotion can be through advertisement, through sales discount, through what not, through PR activities, that is public relation, through event by arranging few events, right? So 5 types of promotions are there. I hope we have already discussed this. Now this is what exactly the distribution channel does for the manufacturer or the entire process. It forms a forward flow as well as backward flow. 5 types you have to remember. Forward flow is in terms of the goods moving or goods or the service moving in the forward direction from the manufacturer or from the suppliers to the customers. The title of the good or ownership and the promotion moves in the forward direction, and backward direction will be ordering and payment by the customer. Is it clear up till now? So from here we'll go to the levels of channel levels. Kitne levels hote hain? Again, this becomes very simple by the way of diagram. Now see, these are just representative. This may vary according to the industry, it may vary according to the product, it may vary according to the few products are seasonal also, so it may vary according to the months also. Annually it may vary because there is a demand supply gap. So this is a generalized diagram to show what are the levels of channels levels also called, they are called. Zero channel level is also called as direct marketing channel. So what does this consist? This is here. Manufacturer directly sending goods to the consumer. So again, I want an example. We have already discussed. Anybody who can quickly give me an example? A manufacturer, there is no intermediaries or there is no middleman involved. Again, after this we'll be discussing about consumer product and industrial product, because the pattern of channel level and the physical distribution channel will change if the product is consumer product or if it is an industrial product. Now, any example of a manufacturer sending or the supplier sending goods directly to the consumer? Any example? Yes, we have already discussed this.
Amazon, Flipkart.
Amazon, we have already discussed. Amazon is there, then you have what Flipkart. Many of the things are coming directly online nowadays, right? Manufactured, for example, MSCB is a very good example. The electricity that comes to your home, probably the manufacturer is directly sending it to you consumer, right? There is hardly any middleman involved. कोई distributor नहीं होता है. कहाँ भी तो उनकी subsidy रहेगी. The MSCB, they have their own distribution network. So the manufacturer himself is supplying electricity to your home. manufacturer is MSCB and the consumer is you sitting at home, right? Or maybe at office. It's a very good example of zero level of channel, or zero level channel we also call it, or direct marketing channel. It's also called as direct marketing channel. Second is a retailer is involved. A manufacturer, again I want an example. There are plenty of example particularly related to FMCG product. Here what is happening, there may be a distributor, but many small, especially local manufacturers, they won't be having distributor most of the time, because they have reached to the local market. So they will send goods directly to the retailer and retailer will sell it to the consumer. Any example? Think about a local product, and that to a FMCG product, you will get an example.
LED bulbs.
Pardon me?
LED bulbs.
No, LED bulb is manufactured somewhere else, then LED bulb will definitely have a distributor, unless and until it is done locally, because LED bulb have a huge market, and the production usually takes place at a centralized location. There onward it is distributed to plenty of distributors or wholesalers, you can call it, regional wholesalers, and they will in turn send it to the sub wholesalers or retailers, right? So LED bulb I won't take it. Any more example? Manufacturers directly sending the goods to the retailer. Think about a kirana shop. Yes.
Bakeries.
Bakery is excellent. And any name of any bakery? Ajit Bakery is there. Then you have what not? Tabby's is there, right? It is Tobby's or Tabby's. You have all sorts, because we know bakery, the product is perishable, so you cannot afford to have, if you want to give your consumer the fresh product, then probably there has to be a local manufacturer only, and there is hardly any scope for wholesaler to be appointment. Even retailers will be very few in number. The manufacturer himself or herself will set up an outlet. Probably they will be having their own outlet, or they might with the agreement to let somebody else run on their behalf, because they would like to focus on the manufacturing aspect, because that is very important from bakery point of view. Who was that very excellent example? Who has given this example? Because I can.
Raksha Temburman.
Akshay?
Raksha.
Raksha. Okay, nice, Raksha. So why this one level will be there only for bakery products? Not all sort of bakery products, like breads and all also I have seen there is hardly, the manufacturer directly send, जैसे आपने हल्दीराम का देखा होगा, they will be having their own vehicle which will take the breads or whatever other items are there, especially perishable items are there. They won't be appointing wholesalers. The manufacturer, once he manufactures the good, just a moment, just a call. हाँ जा ठीक yes. So Haldiram, again I was talking about Haldiram. So whatever perishable goods are there, there is hardly any scope to appoint a wholesaler, because wholesaler job is something different. Wholesaler is going to stag the goods for a longer period of time so that it can be distributed to retailer. But there is hardly any scope for a bakery product, especially perishable products. There are few bakery products which stay, for example pickles, they can stay for a longer time, for which you can have a wholesaler and you can capture a larger market. But for perishable products, the manufacturer need to directly send those goods directly to the retailer, okay? And the retailer will immediately sell it to consumer, because most of the time we know, if we want to purchase a bakery product, especially cakes and bread, you will ask for a fresh product which has arrived early in the morning. Probably you won't buy a product which was there delivered yesterday, because now it has got stale, right? तो आप देखोगे कि fresh product ही अच्छे लगते हैं, even in your taste and even for consumption. So this is a very good example. Let us come to two level or second level of channel distribution, right? Channel levels. Any example of second level? A manufacturer sending the goods to the wholesalers, and wholesalers to the retailer, and retailer to the consumer. or the end user or the customer. We have already discussed the difference between these three. Let us take it as an end user. Any example? Raksha?
Grocery.
Pardon me?
Grocery.
Grocery, good example. Grocery, no, I won't take it 100%. But yeah, it may happen because mandi रहती है आपकी cotton market में आपने सुना है. The manufacturer here would be the farmers, right? Sending the or the wholesaler picking up from the farmers and then sending it to the retailers. Fine. This example will do. Groceries, right? Or you can take wheat for example. Wheat as a part of grocery, right? So here, even the manufacturer, for example, the farmer can set up their own retail unit outside their farm, which do happens if you travel across highways. You might see people selling whatnot, papayas, then sitapal and all sort of fruits, which are there grown in their farms, and they would want to sell it directly to the consumer. So that becomes what? Zero level of channel. Zero level channel. If the farmer is directly selling the products to the consumer, that becomes zero. The farmer is selling the product to the retailers across the city. Okay. So that becomes a level 1. And if the farmer is going and selling it in the cotton market to a wholesaler and then just selling the entire good, entire vegetables, for example, or maybe grains or other grocery products, and the wholesaler in turn is sending it to retailer, because wholesaler often do have a good network with the retailers, which the farmer may not be having that expertise or that advantage, right? It becomes level 2 of channel distribution. Any example of third level? Wholesaler, what is jobber? Retailer and consumer. Wholesaler, what is jobber? Anybody? It's a very old term. Nowadays, this has gone away by the digital marketing, most of the things. Because the wholesaler has really become wholesaler, for example, Amazon, right? And they directly send it to the consumer. So this retailer and jobber job has gone away. So see, level will keep on changing according how the manufacturer want to send it to the consumer, and it depends on the product also. It depends on the demand supply gap also, right? Many a time the consumer might directly like to approach the manufacturer if there is a heavy demand for that particular product, and if the manufacturer has to push the product, then they have to use or select multiple level of channels of distribution. Now let us come to consumer products and industrial product. What is the difference? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody give me example? I don't want definition. What are consumer products and what are industrial products? Any example? Yes, anybody? Is very, very simple. I just want one example of a consumer product which are there across we are all surrounded by consumer products since we are the consumer. Now a consumer product and a industrial product. Just give me example. That means I think you followed it. I don't want a definition. We'll be defining it also in a layman's language. Anybody? What is a consumer product and what is an industrial product?
Industrial product, medicines.
Pardon me?
Industrial product, medicines.
Medicine is what? Industrial? Hello?
Raw materials.
No, sir.
No, I have not followed what you said.
तो आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Now is it audible? In fact, I cannot hear you properly. Just repeat the answer again.
सर इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट बोला था, मेडिसिन वगैरह.
नहीं, medicine industrial product कैसे हो? Medicine is not a. See, what is industrial product? Especially, let us take an example of automobile industry, right? Tire manufacturer supplying tires to a automobile industry, particularly Maruti, for example, or it can be Hyundai, it can be any other automobile company, for example, Honda Activa. They do not manufacture tires, right? the tires which goes on a wheel. So MRF
Mahindra
supply.
and Mahindra.
But I want the name of product. Mahindra and Mahindra is the name of company. Industrial product. I've just given you example. You can similarly you can quote other example. MRF, for
Steel?
example, they manufacture. Yes.
Steel for manufacture. Steel?
Steel, exactly, very good. Like Tata Steel supplying the steel to what? Steel for construction to Safurji Palanji, which is one of the construction industry, or DLF maybe, or to a automobile organization like what you have like as I said, Mahindra and Mahindra. You have quoted. A steel company supplying steel to the automobiles company, that becomes an industrial product because they are the,
Fabric.
yes,
Fabric.
fabric.
Cloth, sir, cloth.
The raw material.
Arvind is producing jeans, right? Your jeans, cotton jeans. They are supplying it to Levi's. Then all sort of most of the 90% of the cotton or the cloth of jeans comes from Arvind mills. Mills supplying the cloths to the companies which are manufacturing cloths or apparel, right? Dresses. There are n number of examples. For jeans, you have what? Levi's. Then what are others? Flying Machine. Then can anybody quote me another example of jeans? I hope all of you wear the jeans. Levi's is one. What else?
Cotton King.
Cotton King. Okay. So this is most of the cloths that comes from Arvind mills. So that is the industrial product. The product which is manufactured by industrial unit, for example Arvind mills, they are sending this product to the organization which is manufacturing final cloths, apparel we call it, dresses. So there the customer is the industry itself, and after ultimately this industry will send it to the consumer. After that it becomes a consumer product. All of it, or it is also called as allied industry, where the suppliers will supply n numbers of raw material to the manufacturer so that they can manufacture their product, because the manufacturer will not always manufacture all the product themselves. For example, tire, I have given you example, right? So this will come from where? This will come from the supplier. So this is a basic difference between industrial product. Industrial product is consumed by the industry itself, maybe for ultimate consumption by the consumer, but one industry sending it to another industry becomes industrial product. And a lot many things changes here in terms of promotion, in terms of the flow of the titles and all this thing which we have discussed will change. Payment may remain same, information to a certain extent may change, title may remain same, physical flow may remain same, but promotion will change, because here there is hardly any scope for promotion, because everything is through licensing, through once a network. Once the deal is done, it will be, most of the thing will be through negotiation, right? Through meetings. So there is hardly any scope for promotion, very little scope. I would say it's not that the manufacturer who is manufacturing that particular product won't like to promote it, because once every industry comes to know that this is a good manufacturer and they are supplying the goods at a lower cost, but the promotion, the form of promotion will be different. It won't be through advertisement, right? It will be through meetings. It will be through by mouth to mouth publicity most of the time. Okay, I hope all of you following up till now. समझ में आ रहा है? So here you can find out channels for consumer. This we already discussed. There might be agent also. CNF agent बोला जाता है, carrying and forwarding agent. This is the word which we as a consumer never come across. But producer would like to have an agent who will stack all those goods in a warehouse. Then the agent themselves will search for the wholesaler, and the wholesaler in turn will search for the retailer. So agent's job is to simplify the job of producer. He won't be involved in appointing all those wholesalers. Agent will take the care. Probably there will be only one agent or two, depending on the area the producer want to cover. Here the producer is manufacturer. You can use this word synonymous, right? Both are one and the same, the manufacturer or the producer. Channel of industrial distribution, we have seen the channel is reduced to a very large extent, because here you do not have retailers. We will never come into picture because producer is most of the time sending it to the user, who is ultimately the industry expert or the person who is manufacturing. Okay, I hope I have cleared the difference. Any confusion up till now? Now this is important factor influencing the choice of channel. You just go through it. It's very self-explanatory. We did not discuss it at length. Market consideration and product. We already have discussed this. Middleman consideration, company consideration, and this thing we have already discussed. Perishability. That is bakery industry. Are taken. Here they have given example of cake and milk also. Manufacturer would directly supply the milk to the retailers because again here there is very little scope to appoint a wholesaler. They might appoint it, but it will be for local area only. So here the manufacturer will try to collect wholesale milk from the farmers and then process it and then directly supply it to the retailers. So just go through all these examples so that you can recall all these examples along with the company names. Here the products are only given. Generic products names are given. You should be able to correlate this. Like for milk, we can have the Inshaws or Amol. Plenty of brands are available. In exam or from the interview point of view, you should be thorough with the present examples. Present live, you can call it. Somebody was very keen on live. So whatever is going on in the industry right now, you should be able to code those examples. Am I clear up till now? Just go through this material so that whatever doubts you have, then market consideration is there also. The size of customer, how big is the customer, and say where are they spread, whether they are only concentrated in rural areas or in urban area, or are they mix of it. So you have taken into consideration that potential volume of sale, whether the goods are targeted for festive season, for example Diwali, or other festive season, for example Holi. You have different products to be sold, and that is seasonal sort of thing, you can call it. Concentration of buyers, as I just said right now, whether they are located in metros, urban areas, geographical consideration you have to give, size of purchase order. For example, in case of industrial product, the size of purchase order will differ compared to a consumer product. The middleman consideration. These are all self-explanatory. Just go through it. In fact, this will clarify most of your doubts. Okay. Channel design decision. This is again very important. I think this you just go through it, and we'll discuss this thing in our next class, because this has to be, unless until you first go through it, it's very difficult for me to get you acquainted with all the terminology. I hope I am clear up till now. I'll stop presenting. Yes, Aparna? Yes, any doubt up till now?
No, sir.
Very good. Okay. So now what I'm be doing is, as we do every time, I'll be circulating the link for attendance as well as for the your small assignment. Solve it before your next class starts. It's hardly 7 MCQs I have given related to whatever we have discussed. Two part I was not able to cover. I thought I'll be covering all the 3 PDF, but we were not through with a single one also. I think I'll need more session to cover up all this thing. But anyway, you can just go through the MCQs which I have, which I'm going to share with you in the chat box. Can you see the link? The chat box? Can you see the link?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now you can start solving it right now. And after that, you just post your queries. I'll give you 5 minutes time to put your attendance, and 2 minutes time, entirely 5 minutes you can solve the MCQs also. Those are very simple MCQs, and after you submit, you can put your queries and doubts. I'm online. I'm not hanging on, right? I'm not quitting the means I'm not stopping the meeting. So start filling the attendance right now. Okay. If you're doing it, hello. Okay, cool. Fine. 5 minutes.
Sir.
Do it. Yes. Yes, Abar. Yes, Abar.
So where have you shared the notes?
Pardon me.
Where have you shared the notes? That the 3 notes you have shared? No.
Yeah, shared it on Kotler's group. Have you joined that group?
No, sir.
If you have not, I'll be posting a link right now. Don't worry.
Sure.
Just a minute.
Hello. Hello.
The notes, all of you join this group also. I'm putting it in the chat box again. This is an invite for Kotler's group. I've already circulated this PDF on this group, and next time make it a point that whatever I circulate, you go through all the study material so that you follow whatever I'm saying. Otherwise, if you come blank, then it's become very difficult even for me to explain you and even for you to follow what I'm saying. Am I clear?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर कॉलेज रोल नंबर क्या डालना है?
Put anything that does hardly matters. Your name should be written as per the record, college record. That is important. Put your attendance right now, right? Don't do it afterwards. After the attendance, we'll be discussing few more things. All of you done with the attendance and MCQs? Yes. Who has completed the attendance and MCQs and the feedback as well? I want your reaction also. Any doubts, queries which you are not able to discuss here, you can put it in the feedback form in your doubts and queries. I have specially committed one question to that particular doubts and queries. And go through the material again. I am again reposting it. Those who are going to join now on that particular group, because all those things will be coming over there. Okay. I'm again recirculating it on the Kotler group. Go through all this study material and make it a point next time whenever you come for my class, you are supposed to go through whatever material I posted. In case I do not post anything, then you are free to come and join without reading anything. But most of the time I'll be circulating something or other, and as a PG student you are supposed to go through it so that you follow everything, whatever thing I'm telling you thoroughly, and you are prepared with examples, plenty of examples which I always want, particularly for this type of subject, marketing management. As I said, this is through interaction only. I'm not going to do a one-way talk. I want you to interact, I want you to ask doubts and queries. Okay, I hope I am loud and clear. Yes. हो गया आपका अटेंडेंस हो गया? All of you noted your attendance, submitted your attendance, and MCQs. Fine. Can't share correct. No, I'm not got. Who is this? Rohini, what do you want? Rohini, I'm not following what you're saying. I'm saying whatever MCQs I've seen. Let me tell you. I'll just share the correct answer also. Don't worry. In fact, whatever answers I have marked are correct only. Just a minute. I do not know which answer has gone wrong. E. Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah. Transporting is good. Okay. Now you can check the answers. In fact, I have not marked those answers. Yes, can you see the answer now? Hello. All of you submitted it. Don't worry about the this thing. Anything which you failed. Yes. Any doubt up till now? Whatever we have discussed. Forget about the MCQs. I didn't mark the answer. You submit whatever comes to you. Right. Afterwards we can, because I have not covered the other portion. So I do not expect you to answer all those things correctly. Okay. But still, those are very common sense questions. I don't think it's very difficult to answer. Yes, any doubt? Let us discuss your doubts and queries. Any doubt? Or shall I end the meeting then? In case if everything is sorted out. Anything which you want to discuss? And see, next time, as I said, keep this in mind. Whatever I'm going to circulate, you have to go through it once, twice, thrice, numbers of time. But at least once you are supposed to go through it, so that you follow and you complete your MBA properly. Because it is not all about just passing examination. MBA is not about passing examination. MBA is all this. That's why there is an internal assessment which is involved in good MBA colleges. Okay. So I think that's all. No doubts, no queries.
No, sir.
Okay, Kunal, fine. In case you have anything which you feel like you cannot discuss over here, in fact, I want you to discuss online in the open forum. And this is within the family. Don't worry. Nobody is going to laugh. Whatever silly question also that comes to your mind, you have to put it forward. So anyway, in case if you feel like, you can put it directly to my WhatsApp also. Abhar, again, can somebody share it again? I've already posted on the group. Can somebody just reshare those notes on the Kotler group itself? Yes, anybody? Please share those notes. Can anybody do it for me?
What, sir?
Those PDF, Abhar want it to be circulated again on Kotler group. सिर्फ उसको forward करना है. I can also do it, but I've done once.
Yes, sir.
Can somebody do it, please? Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So on the Kotler group, I want it to be done on the Kotler group. Where have you circulated it?
Sir, no. I can't.
Sir, only admin can message on this.
Admin can message on this.
Okay, just I'll circulate. Don't worry. Okay, I've done it again. And if somebody wants it, you can just directly send it to their WhatsApp number. And make it a point, you go through all these notes, PDF. This I have sorted out for you people, and this is what the syllabus demands. In fact, you can read more. This is very limited related to syllabus. we can discuss more in terms of examples, because those recent examples are not there in the PDF, and these are just a fundamental or the concept wise discussion. But here we can discuss at length lot many examples, lot many things. I hope all of you followed what I said. Next time go through the PDF which I am going to circulate. Thank you all of you, and goodbye. Meet you again tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.